That's one of the best wings I've ever done. Am I going to be able to repeat it on the other side? No. I don't even want to attempt another wing. Can I just like copy and paste? Like, Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is another collab video. I know I've been doing a lot of them lately, but they're just really fun for me to do because I get to like do it with a bunch of other YouTube friends and Instagram friends, and just it's been a lot of fun. So I'm sorry that there's a lot of collabs, but like they're just fun for me to do. And this is a collab with a lot of the girls from my project Pan collab, and some other girls have been added into this as well. I sent the little snippet of my cat, you know, stealing the show from me in my last video to our group chat on the Project Pan chat, and you know, we ended up talking about it and we're like, you know, a lot of us have pets that like to get in the camera when we're filming and whatnot, and you know, let's get our pets involved in a video. So I don't know who exactly started this video, but I've seen Kelly Gooch do it, I saw Kathleen Lights do it, same with like Nikki Tutorials. So I know a lot of people have done it, but I don't know originally who did start this video, so I'm sorry. It's not an original idea. I've seen it going around and I just really wanted to do it, and I felt like it would be so fun to do with other people who have pets, because like that's just a bunch of pet videos we get to watch on YouTube. It's like pets and makeup in one, like come on. I will have everybody linked down below for you guys. I'm not sure if we're gonna do a playlist for this or not. If so, the playlist will be linked down below as well. If not, then it's just going to be the person's name and their channel. So I'm not sure how we're doing this yet, but everyone will be linked down below. Definitely go check them out. They are some of my favorite people. I've just met so many amazing people through Instagram and YouTube, and I know I'm like a small channel and a small Instagram account and stuff, but it's like the amount of amazing people I've met has been like overwhelming. So I'm so happy that I get to do all these collabs with people. So yeah, I'm sorry I'm doing so many, but they're just so fun and I love everybody I do the collabs with. So yeah, I hope you guys don't mind that there's been so many collabs, but yeah. This is the look I ended up creating with the products my cat picked. I'm actually going to show you guys all the videos of him picking the products first, and then we're going to go into the tutorial with all the items he picked. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Pick one. A. Okay. Thank you. Good boy. You want those ones? Okay. Thank you. Good boy. Okay, come here. Which one do you want first? You want this one or this one? Which one you want? Come on. Come on, this is the last one. This is the last one. Let's go, left or right? Good boy. Alright, so I got my cat ears on. I'm ready to go. I've also already applied my moisturizer, washed my face, did all that fun stuff. So the first step we're going to do is primer, and my cat picked the Glassy Skin Balm from Touch of Soul, and this was from a Boxycharm, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, this is what the product looks like. Also, if you hear my washer going, and then depending on how long it takes to film, if you hear the washer and dryer going, I'm sorry. Today is the only day I have to film because I work for the next 3 days, and then I have to go pick up my mom from the airport on the 3rd day after work, and then I'm not going to be able to film when my mom's here. So yeah, I'm sorry for the background noise, but the girl's gotta do what she's gotta do to get filming done, right? Just look how glassy that makes my skin look. Like, When they say glassy skin balm, they're not kidding. Like, look at that. Next we're gonna do eyebrows, and as you guys saw, my cat picked the Benefit Brow. I pretty much only Alright, so next I didn't have my cat pick a primer just because all I've been using has been my MAC paint pot, and there wasn't going to be a way that I was not going to use primer because my eyelids are just so like oily, and I need to cover them and have a nice base to work on. So I've just been using my MAC paint pot. I pretty much only have like 1 or 2 other eyeshadow primers, but I didn't have him pick this category, so I'm sorry. This one is kind of cheating because I guess I could have had him pick between other primers, but he just wasn't having it at one point. Like, you guys could see from having fun with it at first, and then after a while, like, it just took forever to get him to like pick products because he just kept running around the apartment. And when it came to the liquid lipstick, you guys would have seen that like it just took him forever. Like, the treats didn't work. I had to literally get out some of like his wet food and bribe him to pick something that way. He just wasn't having it, and eyeshadow primer completely skipped my mind, and I was like, I gotta get ready to go to work anyways, so we're just gonna stick with what we got from him and go from there. So I'm sorry, I kind of cheated. My cat did not pick the MAC paint pot, I did. Alright, so for the eyeshadow palette, my cat picked the Alien palette from Jeffree Star, and I'm so excited because this is literally one of my favorite palettes. If you guys somehow don't know what it looks like, this is what it looks like here. And I don't know if I just want to go stick to a neutral look today, or if I want to play around with the green a little bit. But we're just going to take Phone Home first and apply that into the crease. So now we're going to take a little bit of X-Files. We're going to take Area 51. Shade Probe for my lid. Of the primer again, and I'm just going to use my finger, and I'm running it on the lower lash line so I can apply some eyeshadow before I do my concealer. Alright, so we're going to go into Flying Saucer. For an inner corner highlight, we're going to go in with a little bit of Alien and a little bit of Pluto. Next up is going to be concealer, and I'm going to do this first because I feel like my concealer is a little bit darker than my foundation, so at least I can cover up the spots I want, and then my foundation will just even everything out. And my cat picked the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Alright, so while it's still tacky, I'm going to take a little bit of abduction to blend out Flying Saucer. Alright, so for foundation, my cat picked the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation, and I'm in the shade Nude. This is what the foundation looks like on my skin, and it's probably a combination of the Glassy Skin Balm and this foundation that just gives me this nice glow right here, but the foundation is dewy on its own. It's just not this dewy. Alright, for powder, he picked the Anastasia Beverly Hills Banana Powder. For bronzer, he picked the e.l.f. in Forever Sun-Kissed. Then for blush, he picked Tarte's Exposed. And for highlighter, he picked the Fenty Beauty highlighter. So we're gonna go with Money and Hustle Baby one. This is the only one I have. I also realized I didn't have him pick a setting spray. Forgot about that too. But we're gonna go in with my Ofra Makeup Fixer, and I seriously use this every single day and I love it. It's the same price as the Morphe one, but you're getting 8 ounces versus like 2 point something, 3 point something. The only thing is the mist isn't the aerosol-y mist, but like it's so good for the same price and you get more product. So I love it. We've got liner, and he picked my NYX Epic Ink, which I'm glad because it was between this and a gel liner, and I haven't used a gel liner in forever. So things I've ever done. Am I going to be able to repeat it on the other side? No. I don't even want to attempt another wing. Can I just like copy and paste? Like, I don't even want you guys to look at this eye. I don't know what happened. I tried. Alright, so for mascara, he picked the Grande Drama Mascara. And I'm going to apply this, and then I'm going to do some lashes and then lips, and then we're done. lashes, which I'm hoping they're gonna help cover up my messed up liner. He picked the West Coast Lash Bar in the style San Diego, and West Coast Lash Bar is actually a lash line from my friend Anna. She just came out with it recently, within the past couple months. I've got 3 of her lashes, which if you guys follow my Instagram, I will have a little Instagram video of them up soon. It's not up before this video is, but I'll be posting them on my Instagram. I have them on my story and stuff, but I'm gonna do like an actual like Instagram post with them. But they are just such good quality lashes. Like, I love them. I've gotten so many people who responded to my stories on Instagram and on Snapchat every time I put on the lashes. So that's saying something. I'm going to apply these off camera because I can't apply lashes on camera to save my life. You guys can't even tell that I messed up my eyeliner now. Let's do a little more green on the lower lash line because the top is so heavy and the bottom is just like, oh, a little bit of green. For lips, he picked the Jeffree Star Delicious liquid lipstick, and this is one of my favorite liquid lipstick shades. Alright guys, so that was it for the Pet Picks My Makeup. I really like how this look turned out. It's totally different than what I would normally wear. The eyes are pretty dark, and I don't always wear dark eyes. Like, I pretty much go very neutral, especially for work. But even on like nights out, which are very rare, I don't go too dark with my eyes. If anything, I go pretty intense with like liner, and that's about it. But I really like how this look turned out. I would definitely wear the eyeshadow again. I don't know if I would wear it with the green on like a normal day, but who knows? I really like it. It's definitely different for me, and if you haven't already subscribed to the girls from the Project Pan, definitely go check them out, as well as some of the girls who are new in this collab who aren't part of the Project Pan. Go check everybody out. They are all like the sweetest people, and I love them all so much. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notifications so you guys know every single time I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Baby, honestly, it's harder breathing next to you. I should have put a gun in as a preacher tried to